Welcome to Kiddo Kingdom. Hello, little friends. Shh! Can you hear that? Here comes someone very special. A baby elephant. Did you know a baby elephant is called a calf? This little calf is only a few months old, but it already weighs as much as a small car. Calves never live alone. They stay close to their families, which are called a herd. The herd takes care of the calf, especially the mommy elephant. Uh-oh! The calf is trying to use its trunk. Oops! It's not so easy. But don't worry, soon it'll be using it to eat, drink, and play. It's water time. Calves love to splash and play in the water. They even roll in mud. It keeps them cool and protects their skin. This calf is learning fast how to eat with its trunk and how to slurp water, just like a grown-up elephant. But that's not all. It is also learning how to walk, run, and even trumpet. It's a smart little calf. After all that fun, the little calf is feeling sleepy. It has played all day. Now it's time for a cozy nap. Even little giants need rest. Good night, little friend. Baby elephants or calves are playful, smart, and full of love. Aren't they amazing? If you enjoyed learning about baby elephants, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more animal adventures.